Today's review is about the best cordless handheld vacuum on the market. We have researched each product based on customer review, price, and product features. If you have any personal opinion or any questions, then you can write in the comment section. Product links are embedded in the video description, so you can check them out if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. At number 1, Dyson V6 Trigger. This handheld cordless vacuum can be used in your home or office to perform light vacuuming tasks. Just like with other Dyson vacuum cleaners, it comes with extra tools which are engineered to make vacuuming hard to reach places easy. You will like the way it is easy to release the dirt can of the cleaner by just the push of a button. It has got an impressive digital monitor that makes it more powerful than conventional motors installed on other vacuum cleaners. And for more difficult tasks, there is a boost mode that makes the cleaner perform such tasks even faster. At number 2, Decker BDH2000L. The advantage of this vacuum cleaner is that it does not have any external attachments which may limit its use like the corded cleaners do. It does have an extendable crevice tool that works to help enhance its reach to those hard to reach areas. It also comes with a brush tool that can easily fold when you are cleaning those dusty areas in your home. It might not be the ideal vacuum cleaner for that user who keeps pets at home. This is due to the fact that it does not have any pet hair attachment part included, and therefore removing pet hair stuck on the sofa can be quite a trick for you. At number 3, Shark Cordless. This handheld vacuum cleaner is your perfect tool for all your domestic vacuum cleaning needs. You can easily use it to vacuum your pet hair, small debris on the couch, dust, and so much more. Even with its rather small size, this vacuum cleaner comes with lots of impressive features. The vacuum is powered by a motor that is 18 volts to help make your vacuuming perfectly clean. Its extra large motorized brush that is detachable enables it to be used for quick and easy cleanup of dirt on the floor or pet hair on the couch. Its lightweight makes it ideal for cleaning your home, car, office, or boat. At number 4, Dirt Devil Scorpion. This small handheld vacuum cleaner is very easy to use thanks to its quick flip crevice tool. This helps to ensure that it does vacuuming perfectly in corners and tiny edges, picking up dirt and debris very well. Because it's lightweight, it is so easy to use, and it will offer a quick clean unlike the much bigger vacuum cleaners around. It is well suited for light vacuuming duties like being used on the top of work tables, in the office, or at home. At number 5, Whole Life Handheld Cordless Vacuum. With this cordless and lightweight handheld vacuum cleaner, you will be able to perform most light-duty vacuuming work effortlessly. The fact that this cordless vacuum allows the user the freedom to clean with it wherever, even where there is no electric socket to plug in. It has a battery that stores power for a long time and also charges quickly. Features powerful cyclonic suction, ensuring that it leaves a rather spotless clean.